Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are talking about not one, but two wigs. We're going to be talking about two latest drops from Outre, from their Perfect Hairline series. We're going to be talking about this beauty on my head right here, Miss Kira. And we're also going to be talking about Miss Jenisse, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys Jenisse first, and then I'm going to show you guys this one, Miss Kira. We're going to end with this one. And yes, there is a lot to talk about with this Perfect Hairline. There will be timestamps provided for you guys if you don't want to see how I cut it, lay it down, anything. If you don't want to see Jenisse, if you don't want to see Kira, just jump to the timestamp you need. I mean, I think you should watch the whole video. That's my opinion. But I understand that we all don't have time, so I provided timestamps. Before we get started, I need you guys to just do me two little things. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me if you like videos like this. And also go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I know you're going to come back. You're going to come back. If you like videos like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and jump into it, and I'll wrap it all up in the end and talk to you guys in the outro.
Hey beauty, so this is just the unboxing. This is Jenisse in chocolate cream and Kira in autumn brown. I wanted to show y'all how it looked. This is a beautiful color, guys. Y'all gonna see it on my head in 2.5 seconds. This is the wig construction, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and you get that nice parting space. You also get that band for security. She did come with some baby hairs, y'all, but I just went ahead and brushed them babies back. I used my hot comb on the lowest setting, number 1, and I just used it just to kind of brush it back. It helps to brush those hairs back. This hairline looks so good, y'all. I did notice that it's a little straight, so I just went ahead and just plucked some hairs just to kind of get it to look a little bit choppy. But honestly, with the other one, I didn't do this. I just kind of did some jaggedness on the cutting, and I think that'll be fine. But if you want, you can pluck these hairs out and do it that way as well. This lace didn't match my complexion, so I just went in with my Ebon tint spray. This is the color dark brown, and I felt like it was a good match to my skin. It matched up really good. This is what Kira is looking like fresh out the pack. Beautiful curls, nice wave, and she is gorgeous, y'all. So pretty. Oh shoot.
Alright guys, so I have the first one. This is Miss Jenisse. This is from the Outre Perfect Hairline. This is a 13x4 hand-tied lace wig. And I'm feeling her. I am feeling her. I was originally going to do this video silent, guys, but I needed y'all to hear my excitement with this, okay? I have the other style Kira coming up for you guys. I think I'm going to style that one a little bit different just to kind of so you can see the lace parting. But this is bomb. I'm really happy with this. The hair texture feels good. It's more on the silky kind of thick side. It's actually the same texture of that Shade unit that I reviewed. Even though that this is kind of more silky, it's like thicker. So I like that about Outre. They don't have like super silky straight units. They have more like weight. Like, I don't know how to explain it without saying weight, but it's flowy, but it's thicker. So you definitely have some good weight to this. I have the color DR Chocolate Cream, and I had to pick it up because, first of all, DR Chocolate Cream, have we ever heard of that color? So of course I had to get it. And I'm so happy I got it. There was another color, Creamy Mocha. I don't know. I just wanted some kind of chocolate. So I picked this one up, and I'm happy I got it. I have seen the Creamy Mocha on Still Looking Good 58, and she looked beautiful. It's more of like a piano kind of color. I'll link her video below. I've also seen this color on Memie Carvel, and when I saw my sis review that wig, I was like, okay, I'm happy I got that color, because I already had picked the color. It was already here sitting, but I had to bust her out real quick. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump into Kira, and I'm going to sum up how I feel with all of this at the end. We're back, y'all. We are back. Are you ready to talk about Miss Kira? I'm ready to talk about her. I am ready to talk about her. As you see, I came back with a little hairstyle for you guys because I had to show y'all the potential of this 13x4 lace frontal, okay? And yeah, we are giving styles. We are giving looks. So this is Miss Kira. I have the color DR2 Autumn Brown. I wanted to get this color because it's fall, duh. And I never heard of an autumn brown. Just like I mentioned with the other one, Jenisse, that was a newer color. And this is a newer color too. So I was like, I need to check her out. And Miss Autumn Brown is hitting. This autumn brown color has a lot of nice colors in it. It's Outre, so they absolutely have good color blends. This has like a copper mixed with like 99Js in here and some blondes. It's a lot of nice color blend, and I like this dark root. This dark root on this one is a number 2. I'm noticing though on this wig that you are going to get these short pieces kind of throughout. It's like the number 2 is kind of short, and then they did the long pieces. So keep that in mind with this unit. So I went ahead and styled this one for you guys. This is the same exact wig as Jenisse, same lace frontal, same parting space, everything. To show you guys the parting space, I went ahead and just styled her up a little bit because I feel like she had some potential and I needed to make her work. And I like her. I like the waves on this. I like the color blend on this. I'm really feeling this perfect hairline. This is my hair. I think I'm gonna lay this down for like the next week and wear this hairstyle to work. I don't know. I absolutely do like Kira. I feel like she's a good everyday length. She comes down right here. She has these nice waves on her. I'm really feeling this unit. Jenisse, that bob is bomb. She's probably sold out by the time this review drops because that is a winner. As far as the cap construction goes, initially I did feel like this cap construction was a little too snug, but I feel like it actually kind of works because you can wear this glueless if you want. I didn't do this glueless. I went in with a little bit of spray. I'm lying. It wasn't a little bit of spray. I went in with my bedhead spray, and I actually secured her down so I could go ahead and get this style for you guys. And I'm happy with it. Like, the hairline looks good. She looks really believable. My ring lights are probably making this is looking white because the time has changed from the time I started this video. It's nighttime now, so the ring lights tend to make things look extra, you know. You know what I'm trying to say. As far as pros, I'm really liking the waves on this. I feel like it's a good, like, put on your head. I have a wavy style. Now, this is synthetic, guys, so this unit, keep in mind that these waves, if you comb her out, she might get a little frizzy, she might lose her waves, and she might not come back, okay? I wanted to mention that because as I was styling this wig, I was combing out, like, say, the front hair, and it was getting a little straight, which is fine, but the waves aren't coming back because it's synthetic. I can appreciate a wig like this. I have filmed a couple human hair wigs recently, and I also have a human hair one coming up for you guys, but I had to curl that wig, y'all. That's the thing with synthetic wigs. Like, you get this fresh out the pack looking like this. You don't have to do nothing. Now, this wig, as far as cons go, she does tangle. She absolutely does tangle. Like, I was getting some legit knots with this wig. And as far as shedding, she does shed. I was getting some shedding. But I can appreciate this wig, y'all, because I didn't have to curl her. Once you curl a human hair wig and then you do a synthetic and she already curled like this, you're going to appreciate that wig. Trust me. She is getting frizzy as you brush her out, which I am noticing. I can't find my wig spray. I normally tell y'all go put some wig spray or serum on it, but we gonna be economically conservative and put some water on it, okay? So you put a little bit of water mixed with a little bit of serum. I just bought this new Aussie Moist serum, and this serum right here, I bought it only because I used the conditioner and the shampoo, and that stuff smells good. So I bought this serum just to see, like, how she hold up. This stuff smells so good, so I bought it. Look at that. So you see when you put a little bit of water and serum, what it does to the wig. Now keep in mind, the more you brush, she might be kind of straight, okay? So don't brush her too much because she is a synthetic unit. She's not a wet and wavy unit. She's synthetic. You might lose the curl a little bit if you brush her out too much. But this is this side with like no serum, and this is this side with serum. Can you see the difference? Yeah, so overall I'm really liking this wig. I like the versatility with both of these wigs, Jenisse and both Kira. They both have good styling options. Now, despite the cons on this wig with the shedding and the tangling, and even though I'm over here fighting, I would buy this wig again, y'all. I would buy this wig again, and I think I'm gonna actually buy her in a 1B, just a natural color, because I just appreciate these curls. I really appreciate the curls, and I appreciate the length. This is an everyday length. I appreciate that bob. That bob was flowy. That bob was hitting, and these wigs are both hitting. That you can do so much with these wigs. I didn't put this wig down. You know what? Let me go ahead and show y'all what the wig is looking like down. Okay, so we're back. This is what she's looking like, basically without styles. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of water and serum on this wig. This is a beautiful wig. This is absolutely a beautiful wig. This is a synthetic wig, okay? So keep in mind that this is synthetic. As I've been taking pictures and playing with her, she gets bigger. She gets frizzy. She gets tangly, okay? But that's what happens with what? With what? With what? With what? Synthetic. That's what happens with the synthetic, y'all. This wig is about $38 to $40, depending on your site, whatever you choose to purchase. And I think she's worth it, guys. Now, she absolutely is tangling on me. She's getting frizzy. The ends are getting a little frayed.
1 hour later.
You see this? You see this? As you move her, she will tangle. She will start to be frayed. She will start acting up. She one of those friends that you gotta watch when you take out, okay? Yes, she will start to act up, but she's tameable. Go ahead and put your little bit of wig spray, water, serum, whatever you need to do to tame her, and she gonna fall right back into place. I wouldn't play in this wig too much because she is going to get bigger, but I like her. I like this Perfect Hairline series. I like the parting space. I like it, okay? I've styled this wig a lot. I've put her up. I put her to the side. I did a lot with this wig, and that's what happens with synthetic units when you start to move them. But for me, I'm okay with that because I know what I'm paying for. I know this is a synthetic wig. I know that's kind of how it works. If you don't like tangling, if you don't like shedding, this is not for you. This is not the business. But for me, like I said, I've reviewed a human hair wig, and you gotta curl her, you gotta do all of that. I'm appreciating a wig like this. I can appreciate the fact that she's like, take out the pack and boom, I'm ready. As far as lasting, I don't know how long she's gonna last. It kind of depends on you and how you care for your wigs, but you know, she's synthetic, so once I brush these curls out and play with her, she might be done. As far as if I had to pick which unit, they both winners, y'all. To me, they're both winners. I think the bob is gonna hold up a little bit longer because of the length. This one is curly, so you know, the more you play with her and manipulate her, she gonna start to tangle. She gonna start acting up.
2 hours later.
This wig is shedding a lot, y'all. Like, it's a lot of hair coming out. It's a lot. Look at all this hair. This is a lot of hair coming out. She's gonna start to tangle and start acting up. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this Perfect Hairline series. Which one is your favorite? Go ahead and drop me a comment below. Let's chat. I'm sorry if this video was too long, but you know, it was 2 wigs and some hairstyles. Let's chat. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you subscribe. And until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.